going to be this one.
Sweating. Yep, that's what I agree.
You agree?
Yep, hot flash, sweating.
All over the place. Okay. This one feels different. Is it sweating?
It is.
I think it is.
Is the leg kicked back?
Yeah, this is sweating.
Oh my god.
We were right.
100%.
Okay. This is the one we want. It's in a wrapping. Ooh.
It's a cutie.
This one's cute. Wait, now this one we want the blue one.
Let me look at that.
Or the pink one.
Okay, I think
Not this one.
It's gonna be green.
No, we don't want the green one. That's what your psychic ability telling you?
Blue one. Blue or pink?
Blue or pink?
It's gonna be blue.
It's got a pink one on the box.
Blue.
Oh, this one feels the same as that one.
Could be.
What are the chances?
You think it's the same?
Oh! Oh my god!
That is Ode to Coco.
That's cute.
This one is cute. This one's really cute.
It's holding a dog.
Okay, you can stop it. We are the monsters. We are the monsters. Which one is that one? This is Show Off. Oh, and he's soft. Touch him. You can stop.